Okay, before I'm totally out of breath, there's my little baby mimosa. This is the wood shop again, and we just came from the Oasis. I'm going, here you can go either upstairs to the back door by the kitchen, or you can go around front to the front porch. I'm just gonna swing around front real quick. It's a little messy up front because it hasn't been mowed. Pardon the traffic there. My somewhat messy front porch. This bed needs a lot of weeding, but there's some of my another little baby mimosa tree. My hostas. There's my porch swing and some barrels from Pineville, Louisiana. And across the street we have horses. Can't see any right now. Next, that's thyme in this little planter. There's my hostas. More rosemary and a little statue. This bed I did last summer also. It's not completely finished. I have to finish doing the little rock wall and so forth. That back there is what we call the mud room. And we've got, of course, more rosemary and some phlox, 2 different kinds of phlox. And ferns. I love ferns. That's my baby cherry tree right there. And my mint is running amok. I have to kind of keep it in check there. There's some more hostas. More hostas. And this way you can view there's some lavender and some irises back there. A couple of camellias. Those are from here, not Louisiana. Some close-ups. I'm sure I'm boring you out of your mind, right? And these rocks that you see everywhere that I'm trying to build walls out of, this is the kind of rock you get if you dig 3 inches into the ground here. Just put my hand next to it so you can see. That's an average-sized bugger. So that's why we call it the rock farm, because we have a lot of rocks. And I use them for a lot of things. And I guess that's about it for right now. Like I said, here's my little convertible. There's the front of my wood shop over there. It's, as I said, a mess. And I'll come full circle, and you can see why the wood shop has an upstairs and a downstairs. This is the front street level. There's the other stairs, and if you go down, be careful here, I don't have my knee brace on. You can see there's the basement to the wood shop. Baby mimosa. We go around. We're back to the Oasis from my last little clip. And there's the back of the wood shop again. And this all winds around this way. I'd really like to landscape all of this sometime. You can get a little peek of the pool through there. And the back of the cottage, which in the better video I did earlier, you could see that, but you go through this way, you get back to the Oasis. That's back. There's the wood shop again, cottage. And over this way is my little orchard. And I think I'm running out of battery, so I'm gonna quit. And so that's more of the rock farm.